We're seeing strong indicators here. The concentration is higher than the last site. Agreed. Let's prioritize this section for the next phase.
The geological team records the core sample information and identifies the most promising mining zones.
The extraction route seems secure based on the seismic data.
Agreed. The geological models confirm stability at this depth. We are clear to begin.
The giant hydraulic excavator begins the process, loading the raw earth into massive haul trucks.
All teams, this is the final call. The zone is clear. We are proceeding with the blast sequence now.
Dispatch, Unit 7 loaded, en route to processing.
After the primary crushers, the diamond-bearing rock moves deeper into the processing circuit to be broken down even further. The flow rate on screen 3 is showing a slight decrease.
We need to adjust the vibration intensity to compensate.
Check the pressure on manifold 3, it's spiking slightly.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the input flow now.
Here in the lab, the specialist meticulously analyzes the diamond's inclusions to determine the optimal cutting strategy. The skilled diamond cutter secures the natural rough stone. Now, the laser cutting equipment begins the transformation from rough to polished gemstone.
The central stone must sit perfectly here.
Yes, the tension setting will highlight the cut.
Once the casting is complete, the intricate process of refinement begins with careful cleaning and cutting. Inside the assembly workshop, craftsmen use precision tools to meticulously connect the individual diamond sections, carefully aligning each tiny link. It all begins here, deep in the earth, where raw kimberlite yields the stones that will become magnificent jewelry. To create a luxury necklace, the process begins deep inside the mine, where massive excavators extract the diamond-bearing rock.
Raw diamond-bearing rock begins the mechanical separation process.
Look here, we have a positive detection.
Yes, I see it. Divert the flow to the recovery chute.
Using a tang, the cutter carefully controls the angle, beginning the crucial process of faceting.
We call this the final surface polishing. It's crucial for creating the bright reflections you see across the facets.
With the gemstone setting approved, the craftsmen begin the delicate process of linking the individual sections into a cohesive piece. Gemstones. The main polished diamond is carefully placed into the central setting of the necklace. The craftsman uses precision tweezers. Inside the jewelry assembly area, individual sections of the diamond necklace are connected together. Using precision tools, the craftsmen attach the links and structural parts. Inside the luxury jewelry polishing room, craftsmen use fine tools to enhance the platinum finish, ensuring a mirror-like reflection around the million-dollar gems. From the rough diamond to this flawless masterpiece, a testament to precision and enduring beauty, valued at over $1 million. Specialized lasers precisely saw the stone before the facets are meticulously polished on a high-speed scaphe.